Hello dear fans. What is biotechnology? It is customary to refer to biotechnology as a science that studies methods and technologies for manufacturing products and materials using natural biological components, parts of cells and processes. Instructions. Step 1. Biotechnology has its origins in the processes of winemaking, baking and other methods of cooking, used since ancient times, but only the French scientist Louis Pasteur gave the status of science to biotechnology. Step 2. Various members of associations of living organisms act as objects of biotechnology. Viruses, bacteria, yeast, etc., including single cells or subcellular structures extracted from them. The basis of biotechnology is the physiological and biochemical processes occurring in living systems. The result of these processes is the release of energy necessary for the synthesis of metabolic products and the creation of new structural components of the cell. Step 3. The main areas of biotechnology can be considered: creation and production of various types of biologically active compounds, which include enzymes, vitamins and hormonal preparations, medicines, antibiotics, vaccines, some serums, individual proteins and amino acids. The use of biological methods of environmental protection, breeding new strains of microorganisms, creating animal breeds and plant varieties. Step 4. One of the main tools of biotechnology has become genetic engineering, which is a branch of molecular genetics and develops methods for creating new DNA molecules with desired properties. Another direction in the development of biotechnology can be considered cell engineering, which investigates the possibilities of cultivating individual cells in given conditions of an artificial nutrient medium. Step 5. In a global sense, biotechnology serves the task of adapting wildlife to human impact, while simultaneously expanding the possibilities of this impact, thus acting as a factor of anthropogenic adaptive evolution. Thanks for watching.